Hey guys, it's Will, and there's about to be a flood of opportunity at Market Open on Monday morning. And if you're not ready, you might miss it. See, with the talk of zero tariffs on tech, we could be looking at a massive rebound in big tech. And yes, that means Nvidia, AMD, or Taiwan Semiconductor could see that. This could spark a lot of the biggest recoveries that we'll see in this whole quarter on Monday. So quick heads up, lifetime access to Stockmate at our current pricing is reopened only until the end of this weekend. If you want to watch me trade live and catch these moves in real time, it's the second link in the description. So take a look here. Nvidia has sold off from the market peak. It was up to $153 a share. We saw it sell down all the way to about $86 before recovering up to 110. And we kind of did this top 3 semiconductor video. I'll actually link that here if you guys want to see it. But we called out that we're looking forward to semiconductors still doing well, even if there are tariffs, because most of the semiconductors, well, we don't get big tech from China. There's too many security issues. So with a pause on the tariffs, that puts the semiconductor companies at an advantage, especially because they're already building manufacturing in the US. So as you can see, this recovery here would be about a 30% swing on Nvidia. So we'll be looking for something like that to happen. We're also going to see AMD stock. AMD stock also has this trend. It's an even bigger recovery, could be up to 130% if we see it stay true to this trend that it's had for the past couple of years. And of course, there's Taiwan Semiconductor as well. If you just take a look here, TSM. These are some of the semiconductor companies. You might say, Will, why are you pointing these companies out today? And why are you so bullish for Monday? What is the reason why? Well, we have been trading it because we're anticipating less tariffs. But check this out. Just about 9 hours ago or 7 hours ago, we have a notice from U.S. Customs and Border Protection posted late Friday night stated that certain electronic devices will be exempt, including smartphones, laptops, hard drives, flat panel monitors, and get this, machines used to make semiconductors and some chips. So that means that we're going to see most likely a fairly green recovery on a lot of the tech companies that are in the space. So could that be quantum companies? Yeah, the materials that go into making D-Wave computers or ion Q computers or Rigetti, those are all not a problem. Google, Microsoft, they might not see as much issues, especially when you see them anticipating more tariffs. So that's why we're going to be trading them at market open tomorrow. And what we're going to be looking for is some of that recovery. Here it is. SOXL is going to go up 3% every time the semiconductor market goes up 1%. It's an index fund and it's leveraged. Those are some of the swings that we trade on a consistent basis. You see that we were trading it here on Friday. You can see some of these market orders that we filled, and we've been consistently playing these swings. So what we're looking for is a big recovery in either direction, maybe even a dip before recovery at market open. If you guys want to be there, again, you can watch me trade live. We'll show you how we do it, and you can see some of the earnings reports and surround yourself with other like-minded individuals. It's that second link in the description to watch me trade live. And it's not tomorrow, it's actually on Monday, so keep that in mind. If I earned your thumbs up, hit that like button. Do consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.